What's going on? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing amazing. So let's learn Don't Look Back by Boston in under 3 minutes. It's got a lot of chords, so just buckle up. So we begin here in A major. Now that beginning part is really not as hard as it looks. You take a D major shape, but move it up to the 9th fret, like that. And then you just lay this finger down onto that 10th fret, like so. Go. Then play that D major shape right there. Now play a real D major and go up 2 frets and lay that finger down onto the 5th fret and back down. So all together. All right, so that's part 1. Then it goes into an A major. Now this is a beginner lesson, so we're gonna do the easiest way possible. A, play an A major, and just take off that B string like that. So go D, E. So there's an A major. Now take off that note. D, E. Does that like 3, 4 times. D, E. And then the last time it goes D, A. A to that open thing. D, F sharp minor. And that takes us into the next part, which goes G, C, D major, G major, C, D, back to C, A minor, D major, a lot of chords to get to know in this one. And now we go to E major. And you get this little halftime thing, low, high, and the guitar solo, like that. And then it goes A minor, F major, G major, D minor, G, but it's rocking, right? F, G, D minor, and then it ends in this A major. And that's when it goes back into this. Now, and then let me show you an advanced version of this thing right here where I was going. Just for a second, since we got another second, it goes. Really cool, huh? You take this is gonna be fast. You take this finger, put on the 7th fret of the D string, and this one on the 6th fret of the G string. So that's part of the A major. Then you go down 1 fret on that D string to the 6th fret, and this goes down 2 frets to the 4th fret of the G. So you go down 2 frets, back up 2 frets, and back up to where we started. And when you play it with that open A, pretty cool, huh? Only hitting 2 notes right there. All right, that's a crazy fast partial Boston Don't Look Back lesson. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you around for some more 3-minute lessons. See ya.